Breaking news: early state pension payment for UK pensioners. August 2025 update. Breaking news for UK pensioners. Thousands are set to receive an early state pension payment of £921 this week, perfectly timed for the August bank holiday. The Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, has confirmed this adjustment, allowing retirees to access their funds ahead of the usual schedule. However, there's a crucial catch that every pensioner needs to know before the funds hit their account. Overlooking this could mean unexpected delays or missing out on essential adjustments. In this report, we'll explain exactly who qualifies, how much to expect, and the steps needed to ensure no pension pound is left behind. Stay tuned as we break it all down, helping you plan ahead and secure your payment with confidence. In August 2025, this early payment comes as part of a broader initiative to support pensioners during periods when banking services may be disrupted due to public holidays. For many retirees, receiving funds in advance isn't just convenient, it can be a critical lifeline. Household bills, grocery costs, and everyday essentials often peak during summer months, and an early pension payment helps cover these expenses without unnecessary stress. Whether it's managing utility bills, grocery shopping, or planning for seasonal events, this early deposit provides timely financial relief. The early payment schedule applies specifically to those pensioners whose regular payment dates coincide with the August bank holiday. The DWP has proactively adjusted its calendar to ensure these individuals receive their money ahead of time, avoiding the common frustration of delayed deposits caused by bank closures. By shifting payment dates slightly, retirees can maintain uninterrupted access to their finances, ensuring that bank holiday disruptions do not negatively impact their monthly budgeting or financial planning. For those receiving the full new state pension, the early deposit will reflect the standard weekly amount, adjusted for timing. Pensioners on the basic state pension will see their usual weekly entitlement paid in advance. The goal is to maintain fairness and consistency across all pensioners, guaranteeing that everyone receives their expected income, even during periods when access to banks and financial services may be limited. It's important to note that while the timing of the payment changes, the total amount of the pension does not increase. Pensioners will receive their usual entitlement just earlier than the standard schedule. Retirees are advised to carefully check their bank accounts and any DWP correspondence prior to the deposit. Some payments may include arrears, adjustments, or previously unprocessed underpayments. For example, a pensioner receiving £921 early can immediately plan to pay upcoming bills, purchase necessary items, or cover other essential costs, rather than waiting for the regular payment date later in the month. This can be particularly valuable for those on a fixed income, managing multiple financial obligations, or supporting family members who rely on household funds. The DWP's early payment initiative is part of a wider effort to increase transparency and accessibility in pension distribution. By providing clear information on payment dates and ensuring that funds are accessible before bank holidays, the department helps pensioners avoid confusion and gives reassurance that their entitlements are being handled efficiently. Pensioners should take a few moments to review payment statements, confirm amounts, check for any deductions, and verify that their accounts are up to date. Those receiving pension credit or other linked benefits should also be aware that these may appear alongside the early payment, reflecting annual upratings or corrections. For households with multiple pensioners, the coordinated early payment schedule ensures that all family members receive their funds without delay or overlap. This is crucial for families relying on pension income for household budgeting or those supporting elderly relatives. Early payments allow pensioners to plan for everything from medical appointments to social activities or seasonal costs without disruption, providing both financial stability and peace of mind. The adjustment also highlights a broader context. August bank holidays typically create delays in financial services. By moving payment dates forward, the DWP safeguards retirees from late deposits, ensuring that income remains predictable and reliable. For pensioners living alone or managing tight budgets, receiving £921 early can provide a welcome sense of control, reducing anxiety and stress over potential shortfalls during a holiday week. It is also worth emphasizing that this early payment is not a one-off benefit. It is part of the DWP's ongoing commitment to supporting pensioners, ensuring that financial resources are available when needed, and improving the overall pension experience. By proactively adjusting the schedule, the department ensures that pensioners can plan ahead, avoiding unnecessary financial strain. This aligns with broader government efforts to enhance the efficiency, reliability, and transparency of public pension services. Pensioners are encouraged to stay informed by monitoring their accounts, reviewing correspondence from the DWP, and preparing to make full use of the early payment. Those unsure of their eligibility or who have questions about payment amounts should contact the DWP promptly to avoid confusion or potential errors. The department offers guidance and support to help retirees navigate the payment process, clarify entitlements, and address any discrepancies that may arise. Financial advisors also highlight the importance of early payment awareness. For pensioners managing multiple income sources, understanding exactly when funds will arrive can help with budgeting, scheduling bills, and planning for large or unexpected expenses. Even for those who typically rely on automatic payments or direct debits, knowing the timing in advance helps prevent overdrafts, late fees, and unnecessary stress. This simple, proactive measure can make a significant difference in financial security and independence. Receiving £921 early provides pensioners with flexibility. Some may choose to cover essential living costs immediately, while others may allocate funds for upcoming social events, travel, or leisure activities, enhancing quality of life. It also allows retirees to respond to emergencies, such as sudden medical expenses or urgent home repairs, without having to wait for the standard payment cycle. The early payment acts as both a practical financial tool and a reassurance that income remains reliable, even during holiday disruptions. It's essential to remember that while the early payment timing changes, the DWP has designed this process carefully to ensure equity and fairness across all pensioners. Those receiving additional benefits, arrears, or adjustments will find that these are calculated consistently and fairly, avoiding confusion or disputes. Pensioners should take advantage of this clarity by reviewing statements and contacting the DWP for any questions, ensuring they fully understand the amounts deposited. This early payment also provides insight into the DWP's broader commitment to improving pension administration. By anticipating potential delays and adjusting schedules accordingly, the department reduces uncertainty for pensioners, ensures continuity of income, and supports retirees in maintaining independence and financial stability. For those living alone, this predictability can be particularly reassuring, reducing the stress associated with managing bills, household expenses, and everyday financial responsibilities. Overall, the early state pension payment of £921 for August 2025 represents a practical, timely, and significant measure for UK pensioners. It ensures that funds are accessible before the bank holiday, enabling retirees to plan ahead, maintain stability, and manage both expected and unexpected costs. Pensioners are encouraged to remain proactive, monitor accounts closely, verify correspondence from the DWP, and prepare to use the early payment to its fullest advantage. By doing so, retirees can enjoy the August bank holiday period with greater confidence, financial security, and peace of mind. This initiative reinforces the importance of staying informed about pension schedules, understanding entitlements, and planning ahead. For thousands of UK pensioners receiving £921 this week, the early deposit is not just a matter of convenience. It's a reminder that proper preparation and awareness of DWP schedules can have a tangible, positive impact on everyday life. It is a timely, practical, and beneficial adjustment that underlines the DWP's commitment to supporting the financial well-being of retirees across the country.